I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a product item on Xero. To add a product item, we need to go to business section and go to products and services as a subsection. From here, to add a new product item, we need to click on New Item button on top right corner. We are presented with item card which need to be filled in. There is 4 sections which we will go through. So at the item details section, we need to add a product code. So I will add product number 7, and this will be my protein bars chocolate. So with chocolate flavor. If you want to track inventory for this product, select track inventory items. But in that case, your purchase and sell prices and information are mandatory, so you will be not able to deselect. If you just want to issue invoices with products to your customers, deselect purchases and add details under sell section. If you purchase products but you don't sell them, then select purchase section and fill in details there. In my case, I will show how you can add a product item which you want to track inventory levels as well. So select track inventory item and make sure that you have GL code allocated there. And let's fill in details. So first is for purchases. So I'm purchasing from suppliers at what price? In my case, it's 0.50. And select cost of goods sold account, that is from chart of accounts. If you have separate chart of account code for different product categories, select the one which is appropriate. About tax rate, if you know tax rates or you need to use tax rates, select one of the list from drop-down list. Okay. Description will be the same as a product description, but you can still amend and update if you wish to do so. Now we need to fill in next section, which is the selling price. So I would sell this product for £1, and I can select different revenue codes if I have different codes by category. So in my case, I have 4 products, 4 snack bars. The same tax rate from drop-down list, select the one which is appropriate to this product item, what will be sold. And description we can amend if we need to amend it there, and this would be description showing up on customer invoices. And once you have filled in information, click on save. So now we have our protein bar chocolate here. If you go more to right side, there is 3 dots and there is 2 actions. Either we can archive this product line or delete. So this is a way how we can add a product item on Xero accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.